How can I troubleshoot a Whirlpool refrigerator that is not cooling?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot a Whirlpool refrigerator that's not cooling properly. This can be a common problem, but don't worry, there are a few simple steps that you can take to find the cause and hopefully fix the problem. Remember, always practice safety when working with appliances.
Is the power supply functioning properly?
First off, ensure your refrigerator is plugged in and that the outlet is functioning correctly. The refrigerator must be properly connected to a working power supply for it to cool.
Check the thermostat settings.
Sometimes, the thermostat settings can accidentally be changed, or they might not be set to the correct temperature. The refrigerator should be set to around 38 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or around 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. Make sure it's not set too high.
Inspect the condenser coils.
The condenser coils located at the back of your fridge play a critical role in cooling. If they're covered in dust, they won't be able to release heat effectively, causing the refrigerator to work harder and eventually not cool properly. Regularly cleaning the condenser coils can improve the cooling efficiency of your refrigerator.
Check the evaporator fan and condenser fan.
The evaporator fan and condenser fan both help in the cooling process. If either is not functioning correctly, the refrigerator might not cool as expected. You should check if these fans are working properly. If you find any issues, it may be necessary to replace the faulty fan.
Examine the door seals.
A faulty door seal allows cool air to leak out, leading to inefficiency in cooling. Examine the door seals for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure the doors are sealing properly when closed. If there are gaps, you might need to replace the seals. That's all for today's troubleshooting guide. We hope this helps you identify why your Whirlpool refrigerator might not be cooling properly. Remember, if you're still having trouble after trying these steps, it may be time to consult with a professional. Don't try to fix any complex parts unless you're sure of what you're doing. Safety should always be your top priority. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you in the next video.